Let's keep talking about percents. This is the Unit 7, Lesson 9 homework. The 400 dogs at the shelter are in 100 groups of 4. So that's like saying if I colored in one square, that'd be 1% of 400. So 1% of 400 is 4, but in this case, they want me to color in 7% of the dogs, which would be 7 squares. Each square has 4 dogs, so 7% of 400 would be like saying 7 times 4, which is 28. The next one tells me to do 65% of the dogs with a different color, so I'm going to use purple. I'm going to count 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to fill in 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that'll give me my 65%. This time I will multiply 6 times 4, because remember there are 4 dogs in each square. If I did just 1 dog per square, then 1% would be 1. But this is 400 dogs put into 100 groups of 4. So 65 multiplied by 4 is 260 dogs. What is 98% of 700 cats? Solve this in 2 ways. So the first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to be multiplying 700 by 0.98. That's 98%. So I get 5,600 for the top, and I'm going to add this to it, 6, 8, 6, and I move my decimal point over twice to the left, 1, 2, and I get an answer of 686. Now the next thing I can do is I can divide, and I would do 98 divided by 100 is equal to x over 700. I'm looking for that percent. I cross multiply. 100x is equal to, now I need to do 700 multiplied by 98. 0, 0, 56. 0, 0, 0, 63. I'm going to add it all together. 0, 0, 6, 8, 6. So 100 times something is equal to 68,600. Now, how many times does 100 go into that? Well, it goes into 686 6 times. That's 600 minus 86. Bring down the 0. It doesn't go in there 0 times. It goes in there 8 times. 800. There's 60 left over. Bring down the 0. There's 600. It goes in there 686 times. If I did this correctly, I would have the same answer. What is 22% of 500? So 500 multiplied by 0.22. 2, 2, 10. There are 0, 0, 10. Add it all together. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Move the decimal point over 2 times. 110. Now I can cross multiply. 22 over 100 is equal to how many over 500? So I'd have 100x is equal to 11,000. I actually could just use that number from my multiplying to the left over there, but without the decimal point. I divide out the 100. How many times does 100 go into 11,000? And that ends up being 110. Again, if I did this correctly, I should have the samesies answers that I got for multiplying by a decimal. Hopefully you find your favorite way to do that.